In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams quickly and efficiently. We're going to walk through this step by step. So by the end of this guide, you'll be able to set up your meetings with ease, whether you're doing it for work, school, or any other purpose. Let's start with opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you feel comfortable using. Once there, go ahead and type Microsoft Teams into the search bar. This will lead you to the official website where you'll usually find Microsoft Teams among the top search results. If you have a direct link, you can click on that as well to save some time. Once you reach the Microsoft Teams website, navigate to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your usual login credentials. Make sure to type them carefully to avoid any errors that might delay your meeting setup process. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, but let's assume you're logged in and ready to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the calendar icon on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on that icon will take you directly to the calendar view within Microsoft Teams. From this page, you'll gain access to all your scheduled activities, and it's also where you create new meetings. In the top right corner of the calendar page, you'll notice a button labeled New Meeting. Clicking this button is your next step. Once you click it, a form will pop up, prompting you to fill in the key details of your planned meeting. First, give your meeting a descriptive title. This will help participants understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Next, you'll want to add required attendees. Here, simply type in the names or email addresses of people you wish to invite. Microsoft Teams automatically suggests names from your recent contacts, which can help speed up the process. Set the date and time for your meeting carefully. Choose the appropriate start and end times, and if this is going to be a regular gathering, consider making it a recurring meeting. There's a handy option for scheduling a meeting to repeat on a daily, weekly, or custom basis. If your meeting should appear in a specific team channel, you can add it by selecting the appropriate channel from the drop-down menu. In the case of hybrid meetings, where some participants might join in person, don't forget to provide a physical location in the location field. Additionally, you can add any notes or specific instructions in the details section for clarity. Finally, with all your details filled out, simply click Send to finalize your meeting setup. This action will schedule your meeting in the calendar and send out invitations to all the involved participants. And there you have it, a successfully scheduled meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tutorials.